I'm getting paid over $30,000 per month in recurring monthly commissions using a secret automated 3-step system, and I now want to hand you a copy of this so you can supercharge your affiliate earnings and make recurring automated monthly commissions with the same amount of work it usually takes to promote low-ticket one-time $7 products. Hey, Glyn here. I'm not going to waste your time, so here's the deal. I've created a system that will allow you to clone exactly what I'm doing to make over $30,000 per month in recurring affiliate commissions. These are commissions that are guaranteed into my bank account every single month. In fact, I'm able to make at least $30,000 per month every month without creating products or websites, without creating YouTube videos or getting on camera, without running an Amazon business, definitely without trading crypto or anything else you may have tried in the past. There's absolutely zero overheads with this system. You don't need any experience or technical skills to get this up and running. And we're 100% not shipping products from China.
Bye-bye.
There's a lot of people out there that are promoting really bad affiliate products and programs. If you guys check on Glenn Koski, my friend here that I'm referring to, everything that he promotes and that he comes out with is proven to work.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and anything that will help you make money online. Today I have yet another amazing software product, actually a training course, which is going live tomorrow, the 24th of August 2022 at exactly 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And this great training is called Secret Affiliate System. And from what the name says, you can understand that it has to do with affiliate marketing training. And now this product is being launched by the 7-figure affiliate Glenn Koski. And of course, in a nutshell, this is a secret affiliate system, a new business system that works worldwide on all devices. And of course, it's a push button system that lets you clone his done for you passive recurring income system that makes him $30,000 per month. If this is a product you are going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. And of course, that will become yours, and that will bring you exactly to this very amazing bonus page of mine, where you will be able to grab a copy of the secret affiliate system using this button or any of the other I believe yellow buttons scattered all over this page, like this one. And when you do click that, it will definitely take you to the sales page of this very amazing training course that is going to teach you how to actually begin to make money using the affiliate business model. Okay, and when you arrive here, you will have this very coupon that will give you $3 discount on the front end of this, which means you will have it for $14 instead of $17, and that very yellow link will lead you exactly to that. If you are new to my channel, or if you are coming across my channel for the first time, I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. Now, let us actually go into more details on what this one is going to do for you. Secret affiliate system, what is it all about? That's the very important question that I believe may be crossing your mind at this point. And Glenn Koski and his beta tester says that secret affiliate system is a virtually unknown method that has made him over 30,000 in commissions every month for the last 7 years. You can imagine this 7-figure super affiliate marketer and producer, what he's telling you, that it's a new system that clones the business model that he has followed since starting making passive income from affiliate marketing. So you are going to sort of replicate this very system under a done-for-you arrangement that this very product actually offers. And of course, you can see the taste of the food is in the pudding. You know, so while everyone else is struggling to promote the same old $7 products, this very secret affiliate system is generating recurring monthly income by promoting subscription-based products that all marketers need. And of course, this is what you are going to get with this one. And with that said, let us actually go to look at the pricing so that you see, have an idea of what this one is going to do for you as long as the pricing is concerned. Now, here is the price sketch for this one. If you actually get that link on my description area, it will take you, like I told you, to my bonus page. Any of the links on my bonus page will definitely bring you here to the sales page where you get this product. Now, this is the front end for this one. If you go there, you will see that the front end goes for $17. But with this very coupon, pop-up discount coupon that is going to fall down from the roof of the sales page, you'll be able to have a further $3 discount, making it $14 for you. So that's what you have, as long as the front end price for this one goes. Instead of $17, you have it for $14. And OTO number one for this one is the unlimited version, which is quite advisable because it gives you the unlimited version of the front end of the secret affiliate system, which means it's whatever shortcomings you have on the front end, you'll be able to cover that with this one. So it's advisable to buy this one as well. Now, OTO number two will be the Done For You edition, which goes for $67. The support and the team of this very system takes care of everything for you. All you need to do is to sit back and make high ticket recurring commissions, okay? Which means you will be able to promote monthly subscription products, okay? Like Get Response, any of these monthly subscription, and that means you are making money on autopilot across the entire time the person is patched up with such a system. Yeah. And OTO number three will be unlimited traffic, which goes for $67. Traffic is basically unlimited. And of course, without traffic, there is no making money online. OTO number four will be the automation, goes for $47. OTO number five, ATM edition, goes for $37. And OTO number six, license rights, go for $97, which means you will have the license rights to this very great product and be able to sell it across the your marketing areas and make commissions 100% across the entire funnel. So that's what you have as long as the pricing is concerned. So now it's left for you to actually make up your mind what this is going to do for you. And these are the amazing benefits you have with this one. Secret Affiliate System app, Secret Affiliate System Done For You funnel and the site, Secret Affiliate System video series, Secret Affiliate System Guide Quick Start PDF, Secret Affiliate System Checklist, Secret Email Swipes File, and 100% free autoresponder, 100% free traffic system, 30K monthly commission case study, and live orientation masterclass, and Secret Affiliate community, probably Facebook group. So that's all you have, and it has 30-day money back guarantee. Like I told you, any of these links will take you to the sales page where you get a copy for yourself. And when you do, this very amazing training will put you in front of your competitors. And of course, that I can assure you. Now, we have come to the very area where I'm going to show you the amazing bonuses that I have lined up for you. I have my first bonus for premium bonus. I have 2 pages of bonuses. This is number 1 premium bonus for you, and it has amazing 17 bonuses of software products and training courses that are going to give you actually inside this vault 17 crazy products that you're going to use to actually start making money as early as today. That's my bonus number 1, mega one. My bonus number 2 will be the daily profit success, which is a training course that is going to teach you how to make daily profit across your business. Okay. Now, bonus number 3 for this one will be how to rank any site on Google number 1 page. And of course, you know what that means. That means you will get the clicks that you need to actually get conversions to make money online. So here you have the bonus number 4 from me, which is the entire mega bonus that I have for you of Commission Toolbox, which has over 1,000 tools, marketing tools, online productivity tools, backlinks, website constructors, everything you can imagine. You have it under this very Commission Toolbox, over 1,000 tools to help you do your business online. Now, my bonus number 5 will be how to get traffic to any link or offer of your choice, like website, landing page, sales pages, anything whatsoever that you need traffic driven to, including affiliate links. You'll be able to get that training here to do so as easily as possible. And like I said before, when you click any of these links, they will take you to the sales page where you get a copy for yourself. And under your purchase history on my WaterPlus account, when eventually you go for this product using my link, after your purchase, under your purchase history, you are definitely going to find a page that looks like this, which will give you access to your purchase with this green button, and this blue one will give you the amazing access you need to have these bonuses that I have shown you. Now I am going to quickly show us the number 2 bonus page of mine, where you have other mega bonuses waiting for you. And bonus number 1 on this very second page will be Latitude, which is a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits. Latitude was a product that was produced by Jonah Armstrong and his partner, and this one deals with NFTs, which is non-fungible tokens, and of course you'll be able to use it to make money on blockchain exchange using digital ads. And of course this is what you have as my number 1 bonus for that page. And bonus number 2 will be Tweeters, how to crack the Twitter traffic. And of course you'll be able to use the Chrome extension bot that will do these transactions on your behalf, siphoning traffic from Twitter to any offer or link of your choice. And bonus number 3 here will be how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing, and that product is called Insurgency, the amazing training course from Jonah Armstrong himself. And here you have the bonus number 4 as the lazy traffic sniper, which will give you access to free buyer traffic on daily basis on autopilot. Staying at the comfort of your home without doing much, and this very training and bot will be able to make that money for you by making sure that you get the traffic you need to get conversions to make money online. And bonus number 5 will be JavaScript commission bot, which is a bot that is going to help you figure out how to make 4-figure daily commissions. Now bonus number 6 I believe will be the lockdown formula, which is how to start and scale digital marketing from scratch and turn it to 0 to $10,000 per month business. So this is what you have in this amazing training that is still selling on Warrior Plus platform as we speak. So with that, we have come to the end of my bonuses. Now let us take a look at the amazing sales page and see if this is going to help you as long as making up your mind is concerned, because I know that this is a training course that is going to put you out there. If you are looking to know how to make money online, this is one you will definitely need, and I highly recommend this. Okay, so it is so detailed that you will be able to go through them on your own and see if this is going to make any sense to you. Now at your convenience, you'll be able to have access to this page and be able to see for yourself what this one is all about. We are not going to waste a lot of time on this, because I know that when you click that link on my bonus page, you will definitely be able to come to this page and read for yourself before of course making up your mind if this is going to be for you. So we are going to actually leave it at that, and then it will be yours as soon as you make up your mind on that. Now let us see the amazing bonuses that I have for you once more, and then we'll be able to wrap up this one. If you are new to my channel and you find value in this review, I will encourage you definitely to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications. And this is exactly where we are going to come to the end of this one. I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, this is your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com coming to you as always from here, and from me. From here, it's goodbye, guys.